So this is a version of the face tracking that was made by this gentleman called Alastair Allan. So he made a little rhino, triceratops, sorry, that is following the face of whoever is walking around. And so that's based on the AIY Vision by Google. And so what it does, it is move this tiny servomotor to make the head of the triceratops move. And so here, so that's the source code. And today with Sanjeew, we built one that is here. So you can see there's the shield. So I'm gonna put my face just above the camera, but you could see, so my face is there. And if I move my face left, then it goes left. If I move my face right, then it's following right. You could see here the servo moving. I go left, it's going left. I move my face right, it's going right. That's good. And so all that is controlled through SSH here. And through the SSH, what is really cool, there's also a print. And so when the Pi sees my face in the frame, I actually get to see center of the image, or I get like right of the center or left of the center. So yeah, this is really cool. You could actually see what's happening. You can see what's happening in the code. Yeah. So thanks a lot for that source code, and I'm gonna share our version of the code over here. Thank you.